When to use K, CK and KE for the final k sound. If k sound comes right after a vowel team or a consonant team, use K. As in leak, it's a vowel team. Cheek, cook, soak, dark. The k sound is coming after a consonant. Think, silk, bunk. If the k sound comes right after one short vowel sound, use CK, as in back, peck, pick, black, truck, lock. If both rules are not applicable and the k sound comes right after a long vowel sound, use KE, as in bake, spike, like, bike, lake and take. This is the magic E rule. Follow us for more such videos. Bye bye.